Hi everyone, my name is Hanilu Alcantara and I'm so excited to dive into this topic today. We hear a lot about artificial intelligence, AI. Some people love it, some are a bit nervous about it, but today I want to show you how AI can actually be a partner that levels up our own creativity and problem solving skills. So let's get into it. First, foundational thinking. To work with AI effectively, we need a shift in mindset. It's not just about clicking a button, it's about showing refinement. I think of it like a tennis match. You serve an idea or a prompt. The AI returns a variation and then you hit it back by tweaking it. Our role changes from being the maker to being the director or curator. Second, AI applications. We see this everywhere now. ChatGPT is amazing for when you're staring at a blank page and just need a starting point for a script. Then you've got tools like Midjourney or Canvas AI features for visuals. These help us build mood boards and concepts in minutes that used to take days in the past. Third, changing the process. The biggest change is in our decision making. Instead of spending hours on one single draft, we can try 5 different styles in a heartbeat. It allows us to focus on the source of the project while the AI handles the heavy technical execution. Uh, for fourth, comparison ChatGPT versus DALL-E. Let's compare two tools we've looked at, ChatGPT and DALL-E. ChatGPT is like your logic partner. It's brilliant for structure, brainstorming, and organizing messy thoughts, while DALL-E is your visual partner. It's about showing people a vision that doesn't exist yet. Using them together is like having a full creative studio right in your pocket. For fifth, ethics and limitations. Now, it's not all perfect. One big ethical challenge is ownership. If an AI is trained on an artist's work, who really owns the result? We have to be careful about copyright and respect original creators. And for limitations, AI doesn't have a heart. It can mimic a poem, but it hasn't actually felt things like grief or joy. For art to feel truly real, it still needs that human touch. For six, practical strategies. So, how do we handle this? First, always keep a human in the loop. Never just copy paste. Always edit and add your own flavor. Second, be transparent. If you use AI to help you, just say so. It builds trust with your audience. So, seven, summary and references. In summary, AI is a massive win for problem solving. It's a tool for the curious. In the analysis, I've referenced tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, Sora, and Canva. Again, I'm Hanilu Alcantara, and I believe that when we combine human heart with AI speed, there's really no limit to what we can create. Thanks so much for listening.